Understanding the Bronze Award, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase Bronze Award in the English language. This term is common in various contexts, especially in competitions and recognition programs. Let's dive into understanding its significance and usage. The term Bronze Award refers to a prize or recognition given for a third-place finish in a competition or contest. In many cases, it is literally a medal or trophy made of bronze or a bronze-like material. This award typically follows the gold, first place, and silver, second place, awards. Competitions and sports. In sports like the Olympics, athletes receive a bronze medal for finishing third. Art and academic contests often use similar ranking systems. Educational and scouting programs. In organizations like the Girl Scouts or Boy Scouts, a Bronze Award signifies a significant achievement in the program's activities. Corporate and professional recognition. Companies may use bronze as a level of achievement in sales, service, or other professional milestones. 1. She won the Bronze Award in the National Science Fair. 2. Our team was proud to receive the bronze level recognition for our project. The Bronze Award is not just about third place. It symbolizes hard work, dedication, and achievement. Receiving a Bronze Award is a sign of considerable skill and effort, and it's celebrated in various fields. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning of Bronze Award and how it is used in different contexts. Remember, every award, be it gold, silver, or bronze, is a recognition of effort and achievement. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.